Hello, this is the My Artifact episode number 2304. Today's date is आजची तारीख आहे July 7, 2021. वाजले आता रात्रीचे 9:30. Okay, I ate a dinner. Okay, and I ate a dinner too much, and that's why I just need to walk uh, more and more time. Because of that, I need to digest that I need to digest that whatever I eat at the dinner. Actually, I ate khichdi. Okay, so khichdi is Indian cuisine. Okay, most of the people don't really know about. Indian people know what is khichdi means. You put rice and डाळला इंग्लिशमध्ये काय म्हणते? नट्स. नाही, नट्स म्हणजे चणे. I don't know. Rice and dal, you make it mixture, okay, and put it on the cooker, and then it will be cooked. And when you eat it, and that is kind of like a khichdi, okay. So I like khichdi too much, okay, and tikhat khichdi is one of my favorite. Okay, so that is exactly I ate tikhat khichdi. Okay, so right now what I need to talk. Okay, sorry, what should I talk in this artifact episode? What should I talk is that ki tomorrow I need to submit rough cut. Okay, rough cut means include all the shots, but include all the shots, master shots, close up, tight, everything. Okay, but did uh, color grading, sound designing, anything. Just you arrange the clip and that's it. Okay, so that is called rough cut. And making that rough cut is kind like I just didn't really know what is exactly rough cut before Jaipur. Like when I was in Jaipur, and the Kritesh says you need to make a rough cut. So I just understand that rough cut means just kind of like a bunch of clips gather. That's it. Okay. But editing is the most crucial part of the post production. Okay. Arranging the clips and telling the story through that clips, that is called editing. Okay, and you are telling this rough cut and you are wanted that rough cut quickly as possible. I cannot give you that. Yeah, because it takes some time. I need to understand the every shots, which shot is better, which shot is not, which shot is best for the reaction and everything. So I need that. Okay, so what is exactly happened when you are in the Jaipur? You didn't really did your work properly. What is the problem? Like you already did something really amazing stuff with the editing. Okay, and I know you are so good that, but the end product you send it to the Kritesh, that is a rough cut, is a really bad, is way more bad. What is the problem? I don't know, is that, yeah, it just like, I don't know, it just like sometimes just when you reach out some of the bigger production, and you see some of the really great people around you, so indirectly you are kind of like lowering your confidence. Okay, like you put your confidence at the very low level. Okay, so when you have that confidence at very low level na, so you cannot do your work properly even if you are expert in that thing, right? So this is exactly happening to me. Okay, so that's why I was so nervous, and I don't know, it just feel really, yeah. So that is exactly happened in the Jaipur. Like this is the first time I was seeing the whole production. I seen some of the director, actor, camera person, assistant, and all those things. Okay. In virtual filmmaking, na, I was kind of like a hidden. Yeah, just like most of the people, I interacted with the particular work. Like I wanted to do some act, so you need to act according to you. You set your angle like that. Yeah, all those things. Okay. But when you are working physically, it just kind of like a. Uh, my main problem is that ki, um, in the virtual filmmaking, I was kind of like on the top of the position. Yeah, like Kritesh, remember that ki Saurabh, Palash, and Saurabh, Palash, Radhika, and also another thing. Okay, are really excellent with their field. Okay, so that's why they called us in Jaipur. Okay, Bhuran is I don't know. He's just in the virtual. He was kind of like a bit really silent. Okay, but when he was on the production, he knows everything, like lights, what camera, it's just everything. Okay, I do know that thing too, but actually is that ki when you get preference, like when you are selecting a particular person, like I need to select one person from both of you. So which one I select Burhan. Why? Because he did something really good, so yes. So when you are selecting that Burhan instead of me, so indirectly my confidence became really low. Okay, so it's just like I feel that ki, what is exactly wrong with me, this is exactly happened. Okay, and this is whole the time, yeah, at the whole time, like from 21 to 21 June to 2 July, to July, it was kind of like a always such thing is bothering me. So it doesn't make me feel really good, it doesn't make me feel like that I am part of the crucial, I'm the kind of like a really important and crucial part of the team. I didn't really feel that. I just feel like that ki third wheel means it's just like a cycle or bike can run on two wheel, doesn't require third wheel. If you put third wheel, it just bit really put on the resistance while driving. So that's why I feel that, I just feel that I am kind of like a being really third wheel means it's just like in doing production, yeah. So I just feel like that they are pulling me forward. So at that time I realized that no dude, yeah, don't do that. Okay, so it's just like when I realized that, I just came home, yeah. Okay, came home is kind of like a bit really pathetic things, like you are running away from the problem. Well, actually is that ki sometimes finding a solution is not a solution. Sometimes it's just like let it go. Means what is the problem? Okay, it's just like try to understand what is the important thing, why I go there, what is the main reason for that trip. Like you wanted to make a film or you wanted to do something good. Okay, listen, try to understand when you are doing something, whatever you are doing in first time, you are kind of like a bit really suck. Like you are you are kind of like a good really expert in the cycling, but when you are first time do cycle, you just fall on the ground. Okay, and this is actually happened in every field. Like whatever you wanted to do something in first time, you are suck at this, right? So this is the first time na. So this is the first time I went there, and I was kind of like a suck. Just like I didn't do anything. Like I didn't do my editing, I didn't do my short design and everything. Like I was so, my confidence was so low that I feel that ki Bhuran is kind of like a upper to me. Rajat is kind of like a bit really upper to me. Deepak is kind of like, I just like, why are dude, this guy is so that's why I just feel that ki there are so many expert people in front of me. So why would Kritesh choose me instead of them? Obviously Kritesh choose Rajat, Deepak, Buran because those are kind of like a bit really expert. This is not a thing. Like you cannot say particular person to an expert. Why? Because of that, some people say so many things, some people say nothing. I am kind of the people who doesn't say anything. Actually is that ki my main perspective, I main thing what I wanted to is that ki I just do all those things in silence. Okay, like most of the people are getting touch with each other with the communications and everything, but I just love to interact with the people through work. Like this is my work. Okay, just like most of the people, like I'm just telling you, so many people are talking so much thing, and then they are kind of like a bit really closest to each other, like Avishkar and Priya, right? Like I don't know, they are kind of like a bit really close. I don't know what's inside them, but they are kind of like a bit really close. So this is the thing, and this is always things happen. Okay, so problem in you na. So basically you don't know anything about the communication skills, because you need to talk to the people. Communication is really important factor because you cannot impress people through your work. Okay, sometimes you don't have that time, you don't have anything, so you have to impress with your communication. So do improve on that thing. Now I am doing this. Okay, why am I doing this artifact episode from the past 5 years? Is there any reason na? Like I need to talk, so that's why I make this artifact episode. And basically is that my nature is not a talkative. Like I cannot talk too much. Basically it's just like I just talk very kind of like a very serious, very professional, and very small, and that's it. Okay, not talk too much. Like my point is that ki why you are not doing your work. Like I already explained you to that. Yeah. Because of that, while I was editing, I was kind of like a thinking so many things like in the production. Some people are kind of like a disturb to me. Okay, and also another thing is that ki I didn't know anything about the shooting, like how many cameras set on that shot and how that shot was taken. I didn't know. Okay, like I used to do with the single camera setup. Okay, multiple camera setup I am not really used to with that. Okay, but in the Ha 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 short film, uh, there are almost like a 3 cameras set up in single shot. Okay, so this is kind of like a something really. Because of that I need to understand which shot is better, which shot is not, and while selecting all those shots from different angle with the same scene, with some have dialogue, some have doesn't have dialogue, it's just so confusing while editing. But this is the part of the editing now, you need to understand. Yeah, this is the part I didn't really know because of that multi-layer cameras. I didn't really know about that. I just know from the single camera setup, this is a shot, this is kind of that shot, that shot, that shot, that shot, that shot. Okay, and basically is that ki when I'm making the film, I was kind of like making short division for the particular scene, particular dialogue, like in dialogue camera which camera angle I need, all those things I decide in the pre-production. Okay, so I can understand everything. So while I was doing editing in the post-production, I know everything what I did in pre-production. So then I edit all those clips. Like this is the film right now I'm doing Suicide Hack. I was kind of like a really closest to that story. Like when the Girish is proposed that story to the smart filmmaker, I was in their meeting. Okay, and I know all those things. Okay, and also I make the short division too. It's a really and very detailed short division too. Okay, and then after that Girish something happened, and then I make Saransh as an actor, and I tell all those things that you need to take shot like that, and he did really according to that. So I understand everything, so that's why I didn't really hectic to me. So that's why I'm just bit really chill. Okay, so because of that, tomorrow I need to submit the rough cut, and I am kind of like a chill. Why? Because of that I do know ki what shot I need to be taken, and tomorrow I need to submit the rough cut. That's it. Okay, even Priya says you need to submit the final cut tomorrow. I'm just okay, that's it. Yeah, I just need to gather and just like do your work continuously in 10 hours, and then after that I will submit the final cut tomorrow as also. Yes, so because of that I do know all those things. When is kind of like when I was editing that short film, I didn't really know anything. I just know about the story. Okay, that's it, and just nothing about how much shot is taken, which camera shot is taken, which camera has a good quality of sound, just so many things. Okay, and also I was continuously upset about the thing that I didn't really like Kritesh is said me that ki you are kind of like you need to handle the sound department. Okay, and because of that someone is telling me things that I wanted to do, because but I didn't really did the sound designing, so I didn't really did anything about the sound recording and everything. Like in the film production, I do know about how to use lapel mic, how to use boom mic, where should I place, where should all those things. Okay, I do know all those things. Okay, but problem is that ki uh, I, I seen all those things in the internet, YouTube tutorials and everywhere, but I didn't really see the practical thing. Okay, this is the first time I saw all those things and practical. Day one I just been really lost because of that ki, how is this thing happened, like how audio should attach, how to put it on the cell and everything. I didn't really know. So I was like so blown out, like what is the fuck is happened. Okay, but next day I do know, in the tired heart I was kind of like doing all those things, which is kind of like a good, really great. Okay, but then after that the first impression is went really down now, so it just, you just feel that your confidence is bit really low. So that's why I didn't really did my work as good as things. What if these things happen in the future? Like if you went to some of the productions, or if you went to the, if someone gives you chance to do work on the production, so what you will do? Okay, uh, like what is Well, first of all, I need, basically is that in the film, basically everyone needs to be in same page. Okay, and that is the main thing. Like if I am doing editing, I need to understand about the short division. Okay, because of that, in the end, I need to do editing too. Okay, so uh, in the future, if something like this happened, I was kind of like a do understand everything, like what is the thing, and if those thing is kind of like a really unrelated to me, I didn't really did this thing, I was tell all those things very clearly that I cannot do that thing as good as possible as you say, like that. Like if someone say you are handling the sound department, so I'm just telling all those things, like I do know about the lapel mic and connection about the lapel mic, and this is it. I didn't really know about the boom mic, and I didn't really know about the sound card and how audio is travel. I didn't really know. Okay, so I tell all those things very clearly. So I just part of the assist, I just part of the, because I didn't really know. Okay, so I tell all those things very clearly to that production, to that director, very clearly. So the Kritesh is also tell me that ki you are kind of like a good, like a film, you are kind of like a really good filmmaker, but filmmaker is kind of like a so many things, like you need to write, you need to shoot, you need to edit everything. Okay, what is the main purpose, like what is the thing you need to do, like you need to be, you wanted to be editor, you wanted to be, well, this is the questions ask, like you decide you wanted to be filmmaker, but what is exactly you wanted to do, like editing, yeah, filmmaking is a so many things, so what is exactly you do, that is the problem. Okay, first thing, in the film, in the Bollywood cinema or in any other cinema, there are so many people gather and they are making the product so good, so amazing. Okay, while making the cinema, there are so many talented and expert people on that cinema, and they are working together to make their product even better. Okay, so basically those people are expert in something, not everything, something. Like if I'm say Hans Zimmer, Hans Zimmer is not a DOP, Hans Zimmer is a music director, he creates the music. Okay, if I say another person, he's a DOP, he's expert in the camera. Another person is kind of like an expert in sound, he knows everything about the sound records and everything. Another person is art director who knows about the how to set up the set, how to set up the art, how to set up the set. Okay, there are so many things. Okay, and I didn't want it to be a single part. No, this is not my field. Like Bhuran is already Bhuran is already tell himself that he wanted to be DOP, or he wanted to be kind of like a assistant DOP, like, because he kind of like knows everything about the cameras. Okay, he didn't really touch the editing part, he didn't really do anything about the pre-production, he was kind of like handling cameras and everything. So basically he was meant to be DOP. Okay, but I was, nah, it's just like if I wanted to be particular expert in one field, I cannot be. Yeah, so this is why I choose YouTube. Because of that, YouTube gives me that freedom that I can do anything. In the film or in the cinema, you cannot do anything, you just kind of like a bounded with a single person or bounded with the production, and you have to do just one single thing and whole lifetime. No, I wanted to be edit, I wanted to be shot some film. I wanted to be part of writing too. Okay, so this is my thing. Okay, and this is I wanted to be. Okay, so I cannot be an expert in one field. I decided that I wanted to be a filmmaker, and this is the filmmaker. Okay, like, yeah, but this is kind of like a really wrong, yeah, because some people are be expert in one field. What is your one field? like like an example, if the dharma production is ask you, I want to join you, which post you wanted to be, you want to be work in dharma production? Which production, oh, sorry, which post? Like editing, like um, I'm telling you one thing about me. Okay, this is about me. Okay, so basically it was kind of like a bit really wrong to the most of the people, but this is me, and this is all those things, words came inside from me. Okay, from the from my entire life I was kind of like a listening to the all those people who is kind of like a surrounded to me. Like I listen to my father, I listen to my mother, I listen to my parents, all those things. Okay, friends. Okay, I didn't really did uh, anything according to me. Sometimes I did, but those are kind of like a bit really small. Okay, like I like rain, so I went out and I just like enjoy the rain. So this is the kind of thing I I am doing and I wanted to be doing. So this is kind of like a freedom to me. Okay, while I was doing some job, I was kind of like a under some person. So whatever he was telling me, I was doing that. Uh, One thing I'm gonna tell you is that ki when I was kind of like a doing things according to the people, according to the whatever, according to the people, I cannot do work properly. Yes, this is the correct answer. Yeah. Like if someone says that you need to edit that clip, I will do it. But this is not my best product. This is kind of like a bit really average. Okay. I came here in the filmmaking world for the freedom. Freedom is really, really important. While I was doing travel film, I was free. I can go anywhere. I can shoot hyperlapse. I can take thousands of photos in a single day. I edited that clip with no restriction, no time limit. And while in this process, I enjoy that process. And I really like that. And most of the people like that too, because almost like a 1.5 lakh people saw my videos in Nagpur. In Wardha, almost like a 10,000, 20,000 people saw that on the Instagram too. All those things, all those project is done with the freedom. Like I have free to do anything. So that's why my creativity came out, and that's why people like it. This is, I'm not telling to the everyone, I'm just telling to the myself. If you wanted to be a bigger person, or bigger thing, you need to listen yourself and do yourself. While doing, you need to free yourself. Because of that, this is the only way you can improve your quality, you can improve your things, you can improve everything. Okay. Telling things like you do understand my point. Okay, I cannot need to elaborate all those things very, you do understand that thing, right? So that is why I was not able to do my work properly in the rising passion production in Jaipur. So yeah. And the another question you asked me that ki what if these things happen in the future, what will we do? These things will not happen in the future. It will not happen. Okay, today I just decided that what is the main thing you wanted to do in your life. You wanted to be part of the filmmaking world, like a cinema and everything, or you wanted to be part of travel and everything. What is the thing you wanted to do? I ask myself, and then I answer came out, that is travel film. And that is the main purpose I started the YouTube for the last year. Okay, but because of this kind of like an internship, and I was kind of like a bit really serious on that thing, so that's why I just feel like that you just let it pause and just be focus on your cinema. But then I understand that no, I won't be able to do all those things. Why? Because of that, it's not. My main project, sorry, right now I am making this suicide hack short film. Okay. After that, I need to make another short film. His name is that customer care. Okay. It is kind of like a bit really short film, one single character. That's it. Then after that, I need to make Pune video. Rest of the videos that I was not able to make that video, so I will do all those edits according to that. Also, I am doing with the voiceover. Okay, so I can explain things so good and so amazing. So the experience was, so I need to, sometimes it's just like music is good, but sometimes you need to put the voiceover, because voiceover gives you the impact and emotional quality to that film. Music is kind of like a meant to that, but the emotional things came out from the music is bit really lower from the words and from the words. Okay, so that's why I need to, I will use both of the things, like voiceovers and music too. Okay. Another thing, ki after that I need to announce to the rest of the people and to myself that I will do my travel film with project. Without the project, I just kind of like, I just don't really think about that key. You need to make Excel sheet and you need this budget, that budget, you need that equipment. No. If you are making that, it won't be happened. Okay. It's just like sometimes you need to walk, sometimes you need to swim. So just like jump in the river or jump in the sea and just like swim, because this is the only time if you are uh, if you wanted to live, you need to swim. If you don't know the swimming, still you are kind of like a living, still you are kind of like alive after that, because of that you wanted to be live. Okay, so, and the budget is not too much. Yeah, I'm just asking to my father, I need almost like a 5,000 rupees for the one city. Okay, and then I came, shoot everything, I just plan according to like which, when I was going, which hotel I need to stay, watch which vehicle I need to use. Okay. Also, I'm thinking I need to use GoPro. I will thinking about the buying GoPro Hero 8, so I can make some cinematic shots. And also I have a DSLR camera, so, and then rest of the mobile and then gimbal, so it's okay for me. Okay. I will make that short film even better with those things. Okay. And I will travel. Okay. I'm just start thinking about the closest cities, which is kind of like a real closest city. Okay. First of all, I need to um, take money from your father. Okay. And just constantly do your work. Okay. Do not worry about the gears, do not worry about the things, just do your work, and that's it, and put it on the YouTube. And don't think too much about the films and someone gives you offer, and just forget it. It's just like waste of time and nothing at all. Yeah, because of that, from the My Captain, yeah, I'm not saying is that My Captain and Rising Passion is kind of like a wasting my time. No, no, it was not. The giving you those experience was so amazing, and I learned so many things. And this is the kind of like a big really example. I'm not going to the cinema. Okay. So this is the thing happened, and this is good. Okay. And you are not gonna go with it, just drop it. And whatever your main plan is, a travel film, just go shoot, edit, upload. Okay. And that is the main purpose, and you just constantly do all those things. You just don't need to be look back, don't need to, and just do your work. And sometimes it just like people comes to you, and YouTube is meant for that people, like creative people, and you have that creativity. Okay. Just try to understand. Okay. Because of that. And also you are not earning money from the YouTube, so just do your work continuously. Okay. Yeah. The problem is that I need to ask money from my father, and just I don't want it to be. What if you put the loan, and if you have that loan, it will be really good, na? So I'm just thinking about it. Alright. Because father is won't let me, because he has that money too. So you are telling all those things, but are you kind of like a bit really serious on that thing? Because of that, you came here at 2nd July. Today is the 7th July, and you didn't really did anything according to the edits, and just like you just wasting your time and just do all those things, and mobile and shopping and that. I know, yeah. I am really serious. Yeah, I just like last 30 or 40 minutes I talk about all those things. It's bit really serious to me, and those are kind of like a bit really serious topic. Okay. Today, whatever I did, it's kind of like a moment of the what is the phrase? The moment of the flu, it's something like that. But this is not gonna happen every day. Okay. Tomorrow I also I have to go to the DMart, because I need to exchange some of the things that I bought it, which is kind of like a undersized to me. And but tomorrow you need to submit the rough cut too. So yeah, today I will arrange all those clips whatever I have. Okay. And I will send it tomorrow rough cut. All right. Okay, so till then everything is fine, is good. So this is it. This is the end. This is the My Artifact episode number 2304. Right now we are at Wardha, Maharashtra. Thank you. Right now I'm talking so much in English. I really wanted to.